Now, as you can see, we already have our neat edges. So you'll be doing the same thing to the back with the other side of the zipper, just like this. And yes, the size of this is 18 by 18. The size of the back, if both are not customized, I usually give allowances for maybe 2 inches, 1 inch, depending, but just make sure it is not same size. That is if both sides are not customized. So you'll be placing just like this. And you'll be sewing just like this. You do the same thing, you trim out this excess. And we pipe here. So you can do the piping, opening the zip, so it will be very easy for you. Yes, you can use any type of zip. Here I'm using an invisible zip. You can use any type of zip. If there's no invisible zip, you can use any other zip, but I prefer to use invisible zip. So we pipe here with our lining 20 by 20 and 1.5 inch width. 20 for the length, 1.5 for the width. Please remember to subscribe, share our videos. If you have any question, just drop it on the comment box. I will be there to answer all your questions. Don't forget to like our video. Yes, so we have this same side. Now we can comfortably close our zipper. So we already have this intact. Now the next thing to do is to close. You're closing all sides. Please don't forget to keep this in mind. Where you have your trimming, you are sewing just behind where you already sew your trimming. And like this, you open up your zip and you're sewing straight like this. So you'll be doing the same thing for the other side. Don't forget to open your zip a little, so it will not be difficult for you to open when you want to turn. Just halfway is better. You do the same thing for the other side. Same thing. So we close the last part. Just the way you piped here to be very neat, we'll be doing the same thing for everything round. So we'll be trimming the excesses like this. Now this is what we have trimmed. So you'll be measuring round, whatever you get, you cut by 1.5 so you can pipe. This is 18 plus 18 plus 18. So you can actually give excess just to be sure when you are done, you trim out. What you then do is to fold at least 1/2 inch over like this, and you are sewing round. So we have sewn on one part, like the way we did for the zip. You turn over and you flip 1 and 2, then you sew round. Now look what we have here, all neat, right? All neat. So we turn from our zipper this time around. Here, then we can now fix in our fiber. Ta-da! Here, our one-sided customized throw pillow with trimmings. Yes, did you like this video? Please remember to like, to comment, to share and subscribe, because we'll be dropping so much amazing videos here for you. Thank you.